everyone. My name is Dr. Lab. I'm an international graphic artist based here in Dubai. This is a 2016 Mitsubishi Pajero, and I was on the verge of looking for an upgrade for my head unit. So I stumbled with Caronic on Instagram. So when I saw it, I was very interested with it. So fortunately, I found the best in the market, and when I visited them, so they offered me this Tesla head for my Pajero. Then when they installed it, it was really fast. Imagine 45 to 60 minutes installation, and the best part of it, it's just a plug and play. So guys, if you want to upgrade your system, all you have to do is just visit Caronic, and you can check them online as well.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.